If something happened to you tonight, would your family know where to look? The account list, the insurance policies, the vet's number, the one bill that must never be late. Right now, all of it lives in one place, your head. This is the just-in-case binder, a Fillable family emergency binder, and this video walks through exactly how it works. The binder is 81 focused pages, organized as 9 tabbed sections, each named by the job it does. Start here. People and IDs. Money. Bills and home. Insurance. Medical basics. Legal and documents. Digital life. My final wishes. And for my executor, the first 30 days. It ships as a Fillable PDF in both US letter and A4. The heart of it is the 5-minute page, one sheet a panicked person can follow top to bottom. Who to call first, in order, where the accounts live, where the will is, who takes the kids and the pets. If your family reads nothing else, this one page runs the first hours. You do not fill this in over a weekend, and you are not supposed to. The core 8 path is 8 pages and about 45 minutes. The 5-minute page, people to call, where accounts live, the access map, the bills that keep the lights on, the documents locator, medical basics, and one gentle final wishes page. Do those tonight. The rest is extra credit, 1 tab a week. Tab 2 is accounts and where they live. Not balances, locations. Which bank, which broker, which app, and who to ask. The fields are sized for real answers, and if you run out of room, you just print that page again. The binder calls it the continuation system. Here is the rule that makes this binder safe to keep in your house. It never asks you to write down a password. Ever. Account pages use last 4 digits only, and the reasoning is printed right on the pages, so anyone who finds the binder finds directions, not keys. Instead, there is the access map. It records where access lives. Your password manager, your safe, the person who knows. The map points, it never holds. That is the difference between a binder your family can actually use and a liability sitting in a drawer. Bills that keep the lights on covers the money that moves by itself. Every autopay, where it pulls from, and what breaks if it fails. Families who have been through a very bad month say this page alone is worth the whole binder. Medical basics holds conditions, medications, and allergies at a glance. And the documents locator answers the question every family asks in week 1. Where do these live? The deed, the titles, the birth certificates, 1 row each, with the location written down once. My final wishes is 1 gentle page. It points to your will, it is not one. Music, gatherings, the things you want said. You write it once, quietly, and your family never has to guess. For My Executor walks the first 30 days step by step. The first week is a checklist. Then what to cancel, what to keep paying, and who to notify, in order. If a stranger had to run your household for a week, this tab is the map you would hand them. Everything is Fillable. Type on a computer in the free Adobe Reader, save, and update anytime, or print it blank and fill it in by pen. A fully filled sample file ships in the download, the fictional Harper family, so you can see exactly what done looks like before you write a word. And because most people buy this for someone they love, the Family Answers Night Kit is included. A warm gift certificate you can print and wrap, 20 conversation cards for 1 good evening around the table, and 3 ways to give it. For parents, for a spouse, or for yourself in January. So that is the system. 8 pages tonight, 9 tabs at your own pace, security first always, and a binder your family can actually walk through, in US letter and A4, on any computer, with nothing to install. The just-in-case binder is an instant download on Etsy, and the link is right below in the description. Start with the 5-minute page tonight. The whole core 8 takes about 45 minutes, and it turns Ask Me into Open Tab 2. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more walkthroughs like this one, and the description links the binder plus the rest of the NicheToolkits shop. Take care of your people.